Ever wondered why DNA replication is so crucial to life as we know it? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the fascinating world of our body's microscopic building blocks. Imagine DNA as the master blueprint of a building. This blueprint holds all the necessary information to construct the building exactly as designed. Similarly, DNA holds all the genetic information necessary to build and maintain an organism. So, what happens when we need to construct another identical building, or in this case, create new cells? We need to replicate the blueprint accurately. That's where DNA replication comes into play. DNA replication is a process that occurs in all living organisms. Its primary purpose is to produce two identical copies from one original DNA molecule. This process is vital for cell growth, repair, and reproduction in organisms. The first step in DNA replication is initiation. During this phase, an enzyme called helicase unwinds the DNA double helix, breaking the hydrogen bonds that hold the two strands together. This creates a replication fork, a Y-shaped region where the DNA is open and ready for replication. Next comes the elongation phase. Here, an enzyme called DNA polymerase attaches to each strand of the unwound DNA. The job of DNA polymerase is to add new nucleotides, the building blocks of DNA, to the strands. As it moves along the strand, it adds nucleotides that are complementary to the ones on the original strand. One strand, called the leading strand, is replicated continuously, while the other, the lagging strand, is replicated in fragments. The final stage of DNA replication is termination. Once all the nucleotides are in place, another enzyme called DNA ligase steps in. It seals any gaps in the DNA, ensuring a continuous strand. This results in two identical DNA molecules, each with one original and one new strand. So to summarize, DNA replication is a three-step process. Initiation, where the DNA is unwound; elongation, where new nucleotides are added; and termination, where any gaps are sealed. But why does this matter? Why is DNA replication so important? Well, without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. Each time a cell divides, it needs to replicate its DNA so that the new cells have the same genetic information as the original. This allows for growth and repair in organisms. Moreover, the accuracy of DNA replication is crucial. Errors in replication could lead to mutations, which can cause diseases and genetic disorders. So, not only is DNA replication essential for life, but it also needs to be incredibly accurate. So the next time you marvel at the complexity of life, remember the intricate process of DNA replication. It's one of nature's most impressive feats, and it's happening right now inside every cell in your body.